I've been using a lot of hot glue lately, so I went ahead and I bought this bulk pack of glue sticks from Amazon. It says they bond to wood, metal, glass, fabric, foam in up to 20 seconds. And it's a 5-pound box. It's made by AdTech. Look how many glue sticks came in this 5-pound box. I'm going to be able to make so many amazing things. One thing I really like about them is that they dry clear, so if I make an extra gooey mess on one of my projects, it's not as easy to tell. So, check out how I'm going to use these. This is the Action Multi Mini Stick Glue Gun. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I'm really pleased with it. One of the things I like the most is that it has the ability to load more than one stick of glue at a time. So I can put up to 3 sticks of glue in this loading compartment at a time. So it's great for larger, longer projects. It heats up fairly quickly, so I can get right to crafting. The glue is hot enough that it bonds very easily to wood, metal, glass, fabric, floral, and foam. I also appreciate that it comes with a very long cord, and that's really helpful when you have limited outlets like I do. This is very easy glue gun to use. You just need to wait for it to heat up and then pull the trigger to release your glue. I really like that you have a lot of control over how much glue you're using at any given time, just simply by how hard you press on the trigger. So if you need a lot of glue, you can just push it all the way down and a lot of glue is going to come out for you. And then at the same time, if you want to do something fine or just a little bit of glue, just a little tap on that trigger will do just great. It's really great that it has this little glue catching kickstand, so you can hold your glue gun straight up when you need to put it down and it won't get any glue on your nice things. So I'm very pleased with both the glue gun and the glue sticks. This is actually the nicest glue gun I've ever had, and I highly recommend that you treat yourself and you get one if you're using an old junky glue gun like I was using. If you're interested in getting either this glue gun or the glue sticks, check out my Amazon influencer shop. There's a link to both of these products there. Also, I'll link the individual item links in the description below. So since the ability to control how much glue comes out at a time is so easy with this particular glue gun, I decided to make a project that you see here, which is going to be a spooky spiderweb vase. I hope you give this project a try. It's very easy, budget friendly, and it makes a great decoration for this time of year. I'm going to go now and let you finish watching the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Have a great day.